Especially in some more rough terrain off-road. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Therapy on Two Wheels. Today I'm doing a little test ride to see how my new Shinko 705 tires are doing on the KLR 650. This is a 2023, the adventure model. The original tires did not work that great on the bike, especially in some more rough terrain off-road. So put these 705s on there from the recommendation from the shop I got them from. And they do work really well. Definitely better than the stock tires. It's got enough tread to get me through some of those bigger rocks and sand, but still rides really well on the highways. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little video here, show you how they work off-road, show you what they look and feel like on-road, especially at highway speeds too. But so far right now, for the first 100 miles I've had them, it's doing really well. So I'll check back in here soon. All right, so I just finished about 25 miles of testing through all different terrain, going up and down hills through some pretty loose rock, some bigger rocks, a little bit of sand, some hard packed dirt. Overall, I think the 705s did a really good job for what I'm going to be using the bike for. I'm not taking it into any crazy environments, not taking it through thick mud or deep sand or anything like that. So if you have a KLR 650, especially one of the newer ones, you want to throw some Shinko 705s on there, I'd highly recommend it. They're going to do pretty much anything you need them to do, especially on road. If you have to travel through a lot of highway miles to get out to the dirt like I do here in Las Vegas, I highly recommend it because they are very smooth on the road, and then once you get off, they feel pretty confident. You're going to get a little bit of slippage in some of those loose rock areas, especially if they're pretty deep, more than probably a couple inches of just loose rock. It is going to slide around a little bit, but didn't fall at all during today's ride, so that's a plus, and felt pretty confident after taking it about 25 miles through the dirt. About 100 miles overall on the bike on these tires so far. So yeah, I'm liking them. I can give them a recommendation. Yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up, let me know in the comment section. Be happy to answer any of those. All right, take it easy, everyone.